Want to do email marketing? Here's how. Email can be a highly effective way to market your business, but you need to know how to make your messages stand out from the millions of others that are sent every day. In the following video, you will learn how to cut through this barrage of spam and grab people's attention. When following up to your customers via email, you could try following up with some kind of reminder. For example, you could add a Visit Today button onto your ad. In addition, the closing of the postscript could inform your customers to make sure they do not disregard the CTO. Insert a link to your subscription form into your marketing newsletters. That way, if your customers forward marketing emails to their friends can easily subscribe to your list too. Using this strategy makes it easy for you to build a large list of potential customers who have agreed to receive your marketing emails. Go for professional over slick with your emails. Don't send emails that look like flashy web pages. This comes across as impersonal to the recipient. Also, keep in mind that many email programs will not display HTML images. So, do not focus on images in your emails. Go for concise, professional, and inviting so that everyone can read it. To make a clear and memorable impact with every email, keep your marketing messages short and sweet. Every email should have a very clear message and should only include information, media and links that are completely relevant to that message. A succinct but convincing email will be easier for your readers to absorb than a windy message that tries to force too many points. Making effective use of email to promote your business can be tricky, but it is easier once you know what you are doing. Done properly, email marketing can dramatically boost your visibility. Make good use of the tips and techniques you have learned from this video to bring more customers to your business. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.